This time of year, as the weather gets colder, it seems like we're all craving comfort food. And the dish we're making today is a spinoff of two of our longtime feel-good favorites, shepherd's pie and cottage pie. After sauteing some thinly sliced carrots and onions, we brown a couple of pounds of ground beef and cook it until no pink remains. After we drain off the drippings, we stir in a jar of beef gravy, along with a few seasonings. Once it's hot, we pour it into a baking dish and top it off with some mashed potatoes that we mixed with a little cheddar cheese. What sets Cumberland pie apart from cottage and shepherd's pie is that we top it with some freshly made breadcrumbs that we mix with a bit more cheese and some melted butter before baking it. Talk about comfort at its best. Between the bubbling hot filling, the fluffy mashed potatoes, and the golden cheesy breadcrumb topping, this is hard to resist. And so you don't have to. All you have to do is go online, because the recipe for our Cumberland pie is waiting for you. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a unique and comforting way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."